You will see this question in your next physics examination, so in order to get it correctly, watch this video till the end. I remain Quizben, your online tutor. The question states, find current. Now, this circuit we have here is an AC circuit, alright? This part here is a resistor which has a resistance of 30 ohms, alright? And this here represents capacitive reactance, and this capacitive reactance has a value of 40 ohms. Alright, now over here we have the voltage of 200 volts and we have frequency of 50 hertz. In this question, we are not going to use the frequency because the frequency is used to produce the capacitive reactance of 40 ohms. Alright, the frequency of 50 hertz tells us how fast the current is alternating, alright? That is how fast the current is changing. Meaning, in this AC circuit, the current changes its direction 50 times every second, alright? That's the meaning of the 50 hertz that we have here, alright? So we're not going to use it for the calculation of the current. If you have watched this video to this extent, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay with me. You can pause this video at any point to jot down the important things you want to note from this video. Now, to get the value of current in this circuit, we are going to use the Ohm's law formula for AC current. Now, mathematically, it is represented as I equals V over Z, alright, where V is the voltage and Z is the impedance. Now, if you look at the values we have here, we don't have value for impedance. However, we can get our value for impedance from these values we have in this question. Alright, remember Z represents impedance. Alright, so Z is equal to the square root of resistance square plus capacitive reactance square. Alright, now from here, what do you have to do from here? You just have to substitute your values, where the value of R is what, 30, and the value of capacitive reactance is 40. Now 30 square is going to give us 900 and 40 square is going to give us 1600, of which if we add these two values we are going to get 2500, and the square root of 2500 is 50. Alright, so from here the value of impedance is 50 ohms. Alright, now we can substitute this value of impedance in this mathematical representation of the formula for current of an AC circuit, alright, where we have I equals, where V, the value of V is 200 volts, alright, over the value of impedance, which is what? Which is 50 ohms, alright. So 200 divided by 50, and we are going to have 4. So from here, the value of current is 4 ampere. So the value of current in this circuit is 4 ampere. Hope this video is helpful. I remain Quizben. Like, share and subscribe for more.